Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting the US from June 21 to 24 at the invitation of President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden, marking his first ever state visit to the US. Ahead of his state visit, the Prime Minister on Tuesday said that the special invitation by US President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden is a reflection of the vigor and vitality of the partnership between our democracies. In the interview with the Wall Street Journal, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that ties between India and the United States are stronger and deeper than ever. India deserves a much higher, deeper and wider profile and a role, Modi said ahead of his visit to the US that is billed as a milestone in New Delhi and Washington bilateral ties. Calling himself the first Prime Minister to be born in free India, Modi said that his thought process is inspired and influenced by his country's attributes and traditions. Ties between New Delhi and Washington are stronger and deeper than ever. There is an unprecedented trust, he said, hailing the expanding defense cooperation between India and US as an important pillar of our partnership. This cooperation and partnership, he said, extends to trade, technology and energy. Modi departed for the US on Tuesday morning on a state visit at the invitation of President Joe Biden and Jill Biden. Modi's US visit is expected to give India access to critical American technologies Washington rarely shares with non-allies, strengthening a new bond that is underpinned by not just global politics but also business and economics. Though Modi has made several previous visits to the United States, this will be his first with the full diplomatic status of an official state visit, just the third of Biden's presidency and third by any Indian leader. Major announcements expected during Modi's visit are US approval to General Electric to manufacture engines in India for its domestically produced fighter jets, India's purchase of 31 armed MQ-9B Sea Guardian drones made by General Atomics worth $3 billion, and removal of US obstacles that prevent smoother trade in defense and high technology. Overall, Modi's message was that from India's role in global politics to its contributions to the world economy, the country's time has come. He sought to portray New Delhi as the natural leader of the global south, in sync with and able to give voice to developing countries' long neglected aspirations, said the WSG report on the hour-long interview at the PM's official residence in New Delhi. In the interview, Modi also battled for diversification of supply chains, saying India is gaining its rightful position in the world. On China, PM Modi said India wants peace at the border but is fully prepared and committed to protect its sovereignty and dignity. For normal bilateral ties with China, peace and tranquility in the border areas is essential. We have a core belief in respecting sovereignty and territorial integrity, observing the rule of law and peaceful resolution of differences and disputes. At the same time, India is fully prepared and committed to protect its sovereignty and dignity. Modi will be hosted by President Biden for a state dinner and a private family dinner, attend lunch with Vice President Kamala Harris and Secretary of State Antony Blinken, and address a joint session of Congress for the second time in 9 years. Modi will also meet American CEOs and lead an International Yoga Day event at the UN headquarters.